days I own, headed toward the setting up sun. Fall leaves another season, I'll let it go. Oh, 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 oh. You lift me up, I'll follow you to the end of the earth. Oh, oh, oh. You lift me up, I'll follow you to the end of the earth. Oh, oh, oh. All the way home, all the way home. And between my heart and my head, echoing the whisper words said. Don't need another reason, I'm coming home. Home, home, home. Home, home, home. You lift me up, I'll follow you to the end of the earth. Oh, oh, oh. You lift me up, I'll follow you to the end of the earth. Oh, oh, oh. All the way home, all the way home. Running on to meet tomorrow, by your side wherever you go. You lift me up, I'll follow you to the end of the earth. Oh, oh, oh. You lift me up, I'll follow you to the end of the earth. Oh, oh, oh. You lift me up, I'll follow you to the end of the earth. Oh, oh, oh. All the way home, all the way home.
Inasmuch as you both pledge to each other your lifelong commitment, devotion, by the authority committed to me as an ordained minister of the gospel of Jesus Christ, according to the laws of the state of Indiana, I now declare you to be husband and wife in the name of the Lord Jesus Christ. And what God hath joined together, let no man put asunder. What are you waiting for? Yes, you may kiss your bride. I am now proud to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Zakary Keith Miller. Can we give them a round of applause? Can you all stand and honor them?
When I get lost, you stay behind. When I'm falling, you're my strength, yeah. Lift me up, you ease my mind. Forever holding up my faith, yeah. My heart is home with you. My heart is home with you. As long as the skies are blue, my heart is home with you. When all else fails, you're by my side. Then tomorrow I can face it. When I stop running from my life, and all the pieces find their places. My heart